Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to unprivate your TikTok account. So if you want to unprivate your TikTok account, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, after that you have to click on your profile from the right bottom and you will see this type of the front end, and after that you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Okay, once you will do it, now go to the settings and the privacy from here, and here you will see multiple options. Now you have to click on the privacy and here you will see again different option. If your TikTok account is private, you will see simply turn on this toggle. So simply turn it off from here, and once you will do it, it will make your TikTok account unprivate. So this is the way you can unprivate your TikTok account. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.